Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. This is an intraday video based on the 1 hour chart and 15-minute chart to see what happened and what it might happen in the next few hours. As I said, the Sunday afternoon European time, of course, we might start to see some movement for Bitcoin, and here we go. We see some red right now, but of course we cannot say that this is impulsive toward the downside yet. Now, if we take a closer look, you can see a very massive move towards the downside here with the 1 hour chart, but it's hard to say that this is an impulse. It's not really clear that it is an impulse as well on the 50-minute chart. 1, 2, 3, 4, your wave 4 interfere with your wave 1, in case we have a 4. So basically it can be an ABC corrective and another correction here as ABC and continuation a little bit toward the downside, and to finish a wave C, meaning A, B, and a C. In that case scenario, it brings us a little bit still in a bigger range here. Don't forget that we might be in a WXY for a 1, 2 here. Probably, of course, in WX and a Y, a little bit your wave Y can still hit, of course, perfectly the blue box here. And don't forget that our wave 2 can still range. So based on your wave 1 here, the time for a wave 2 still need sometimes to get, of course, towards the downside to be completed. Now, of course, it can be completed with a 0.38, which is a minimum requirement. Here we go. We have already passed it yesterday night, probably. But perfect time would be, of course, the 0.618 FIP time. So basically, I would say perfect blue box can be exactly here. So we still have time, of course, to finish our wave 2, and probably we have finished. Probably this will transform into 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 continuation. Or what you want to have first scenario is, of course, to turn this into a finished WXY. To finish this as WX and a Y, you have finished a W, you finished an X, but your Y is unfinished. Your Y can be finished by a new low, by getting a new low, or by having more time. More time meaning it can be a triangle, as you can see, A, B, C, D, and E. Your wave E is toward the downside, and you're gonna, of course, move continuously for higher prices. In this case scenario, because you finished WX and a Y, your wave Y is a big triangle. In case you are in a zigzag, A, B, and a C, of course, you would like to see something unfolding here as a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, at least as ending diagonal, taking the low at least. So this is what you would like to see. In case, of course, that we are still going sideways, so higher possibility than go for the bullish a little bit, but don't forget that taking this high here between the wave, between the 0.618, 0.786 can turn it a very, very bearish. So we have to watch what's going to happen. Maximum, it can be as well A, B, and a C or WXY toward the upside, reaching the 1-to-1 FIB level 105K. But that will not bring us for a very bullish scenario, meaning we cannot really take the high here. And that because there is no impulse yet. There is no 5 waves toward the upside, 3 waves down, continuation. We miss this pattern, right? It's still missing, and we cannot say that it is ready to move for higher. So these are the scenarios, guys. If we take a look as well on KGT, you can see on the KGT 5-minute you have a divergence a little bit here with a 5-minute chart. If we also move a little bit lower, this is the 500, of course, strands, which are the strongest signals. So as you can see on the 3-minute chart as well, we have we don't have really strong divergence, guys. It's the same, by the way. But it's not that strong. I mean, it is lower, it is diversion, but not that strong. But it can bring a little bit higher prices, and so I would say, much more possibilities still sideways or lower. More sideways or moving lower. Probably one more high, and then probably finishing this was one more low, and moving toward the upside impulsively for a final wave 5. We're gonna see, of course, what is gonna happen here at that time. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.